Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy and today I am thrilled to share an exciting success story about how we have helped a heating and boiler service provider thrive with the Google AdWords. If you are running the ads for a local business and facing the challenges like the high competition or low quality leads, then this case study will provide insights into how the right strategy can make all the difference. Grab a coffee, sit back and let's dive into the details. So now in terms of the challenges that we have faced, our client was a well-established heating and boiler service company offering installations, repairs and the replacements. Known for their excellent service and glowing customer reviews, they wanted to scale their business further. However, they have faced several hurdles. First is the intense market competition. The heating and boiler service industry is highly competitive, with both the local businesses and the large platform vying for a customer attention. Standing out was a challenge. Low quality leads. Despite investing in the Google AdWords previously, the campaign brought in the leads that did not convert, wasting the valuable time and money. Limited tracking. Without essential tools like the Google Tag Manager or the Google Analytics, they could not track which campaigns were effective. This lack of data hindered their ability to make informed decisions. Next is the budget constraints. The business wanted to scale while staying within a reasonable budget, which meant optimizing the ad spend to focus only on the high-performing campaigns. Our approach: crafting a winning strategy. To overcome these challenges, we have designed a data-driven Google AdWords strategy tailored to their business goals. Here is how we have achieved the remarkable results. First is laying the foundations with the tracking tools. Before running any campaign, we have set up the essential tracking tools to gather the actionable data. Google Tag Manager. This allowed us to track key actions on their website, such as the form submissions and the phone call clicks and the quote request. Google Analytics. By integrating this tool, we have gained deeper insights into the user behavior, such as the time spent on the site, pages visited, and the actions leading to the conversions. Conversion tracking in the Google AdWords. We have implemented the conversion tracking to measure the effectiveness of each campaign, keyword, and the ad copy. With these systems in place, we could pinpoint which aspects of their campaigns needed adjustments and ensured no ad spend went to waste. Next is launching the search campaigns with the high intent keywords. Once the groundwork was ready, we have focused on building search campaigns targeting high intent keywords. These keywords were carefully chosen to capture the users actively searching for heating and boiler services. Examples includes new boiler installation near me, gas boiler repair services, boiler replacement experts, emergency boiler repair. We wrote compelling ad copy highlighting their expertise, fast response times, and excellent customer service, ensuring the ads resonated with the potential customers. Next is introducing the local services ad for trust and visibility. We build trust and target a highly localized audience. We have introduced the local service ads. These ads showcase the customer reviews, contact information, and the client's certification as a trusted heating service provider. This approach not only increased the click but also improved the conversion rates by instilling confidence in the potential customers. Optimizing bidding strategy for cost efficiency. Initially, we have started with the manual CPC bidding to control the cost and gather the performance data. After collecting sufficient data, we transitioned to the target CPA bidding. This switch allowed the Google's algorithm to automatically optimize the bid for the most effective conversions, significantly lowering the cost per lead while maximizing the volume of high quality inquiries. Next is the Performance Max campaign for broader reach. To expand the visibility, we have launched the Performance Max campaign that utilized creative assets like videos, images, and the headlines showcasing the client's expertise, product data highlighting the new boiler models, and the repair services. These campaigns reached users across YouTube, Gmail, and the Google Display Network, ensuring the brand stayed top of the mind client throughout the customer journey. Next is the remarketing campaigns for the unconverted visitors. We did not stop at acquiring the new customers using the data from the Google Analytics and the GTM. We have set up the remarketing campaigns targeting users who visited the website but did not convert. These campaigns featured ads reminding users of their initial interest and offering the time-sensitive incentives, basically such as the discounts on the boiler installation or free servicing with repairs. This strategy effectively re-engaged the potential customers who were on the fence. So now, in terms of the results, so in just 3 months, our tailored strategy delivered exceptional outcomes. The campaigns generated over 121 monthly leads at an CPA of only $25, showcasing both cost efficiency and the high quality clicks. These results not only boosted the inquiries significantly but also provided a steady stream of potential customer to the client for the heating and boiler services, a true treatment to the power of season-driven Google AdWords campaign. This case study highlights the power of a tailored, data-driven Google AdWords strategy by focusing on the high-intent keywords, leveraging the advanced tracking tools, and refining the campaign through the ongoing optimization. We have helped our client thrive in a competitive market. If you are struggling with your campaigns or looking to scale your business, reach out to us today. Share your website and budget, and we will provide a detailed audit and the actionable recommendations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more case studies and the expert tips on maximizing your Google AdWords success. Thank you for watching the video.